Today we are going to take you around Trastevere with a simple itinerary to enjoy this famous Roman neighborhood. Our itinerary is starting in the beginning of Ponte Sisto, so it's easy to reach if you come from Campo dei Fiori. This entrance of Ponte Sisto is between Lungotevere dei Vatati and Lungotevere dei Teballi. Let's cross Ponte Sisto and let's get to Piazza Trilussa, our first stop. This is the first stop of our itinerary, Piazza Trilussa. This is a very famous hangout place in Rome for young people. Pretty much the whole day, during the day and also in the evening. There is always music, there are restaurants everywhere, and it's a perfect stop if you want to start exploring Trastevere. This is the Fontana dell'Acqua Paola from the 17th century to supply water to the neighborhood. If you can see the coat of arms of right on top of the fountain, it has the symbol of the Borghese family, the eagle and the dragon. Once you're done crossing Ponte Sisto Bridge, you will find immediately in front of you, the Piazza Trilussa. There it's located between the Lungotevere Raffaello Sanzio and Lungotevere della Farnesina. Piazza Trilussa is named after Carlo Alberto Salustri, a famous satire poet from Rome. Now, our next stop is Villa Farnesina. It's a noble villa formerly belonging to the Chigi family, and it's now the seat of Accademia dei Lincei, and it's worth visiting because of the frescoes of Raffaello Sanzio, Raphael, the famous Renaissance Italian painter. In the description below you will find the opening hours of Villa Farnesina, because if you are passing by when it's open, I suggest you see the frescoes by Raphael. To go to our next stop, Villa Farnesina, from Piazza Trilussa we take Via di Ponte Sisto. We will link the map, the Google Maps, in the description. Let's go. If you're here in Piazza San Giovanni della Malva by lunchtime or dinner time, here is L'Elementare, and it's one of our very favorite pizza places in Trastevere and in Rome. It's delicious. It's the typical Roman style pizza, very thin, very crunchy, but because it's so good, I strongly suggest you book before arriving, because it's always very crowded and very popular. If you didn't book, just give it a try and let's see if you find the space. This one in Via della Lungara is Villa Farnesina, where there are the frescoes of Raphael. It's open every day except Monday, so from Tuesday to Sunday, from 10 to 10 in the morning to 7 in the afternoon, in the evening. But the ticket office closes 1 hour before the closing time. Also in Via della Lungara, coming from Piazza Trilussa, you will find this one on the right, while on the left you will find Galleria Corini. Galleria Corini is a palace, it's a noble palace, and has been turned into a museum with a large collection of paintings. If you have been to Palazzo Barberini, close to Barberini metro station, close to the Trevi fountain, Galleria Corini together with Palazzo Barberini, now they are national galleries. Behind the Galleria Corini, you will find in Largo Cristina di Svezia, you will find the entrance to the Orto Botanico of Rome, the Botanical Garden of Rome. It's a very large park in the heart of Trastevere, so it's perfect if you feel like you want to a little bit get away from the traffic and get some rest in some peaceful green environment. It's managed by La Sapienza University of Rome, and it has thousands of different species of plants. In some times of the year, usually in winter, there is an installation called the Trame di Luce. It happens once a year and with a different theme every year. And it's a light installation, like now, for example, there is one, and it opens in the evening when it starts getting dark. So all along Via della Lungara, coming from Piazza Trilussa, you go straight. On the right is Villa Farnesina, with the Raphael's frescoes. Then on the other side, on the left, it's Galleria Corini, if you would like to visit it. And then when you enter here, you take Via Corsini. At the end, Largo Cristina di Svezia, there is the entrance to the Botanical Garden. Now we take back Via della Lungara from where we came. We cross again Porta Settimiana Gate, and we take Via Garibaldi because we are going to our next stop, the Fontanone del Gianicolo. Right after Porta Settimiana Gate, you will see on your left the restaurant Peta. It's Peta in Italian means meatball. This restaurant is famous for making meatball out of everything. So whatever dish, it's a meatball for them. After Via Garibaldi, you're gonna take Via di Porta San Pancrazio to go to our next stop, the fountain, and it's a little bit of a steep walk uphill because we are going into the Gianicolo Hill. Let's go. As you can see, the roads are cobbled like everywhere in Rome. They are uneven and it's uphill, so make sure you wear comfortable shoes. Now it's winter, so I have my winter sneakers, but whatever the season, wear just a comfortable walking shoes. Now there is a little staircase to go to Passeggiato del Gianicolo Promenade. Let's go. This fountain dates back from the 17th century. It was commissioned by the Pope Paul V Borghese. In fact, on top you can see Paulus Quintus Pontifex Maximus, which means Paul V, the Pope, Pontifex Maximus. And from the Borghese family, you will see everywhere the symbol, the dragon and the eagle. Apart from being a gorgeous fountain, one of my favorite in Rome, it's also located on the Gianicolum Hill, and there are actually two reasons why it's a stop in our Trastevere Itinerary. I know it's a little bit steep to arrive here, but then apart from the gorgeous fountain, that it's gorgeous both day and night whenever you can visit. On the other side, it's a belvedere, a viewpoint where you will see the whole Rome city center in a gorgeous view. Now we will show you. For the decoration of this fountain, they have used marbles taken from the Roman Forum and the Nerva Forum and the Imperial Forum. The columns, you see the red columns, they actually were taken, they are in red marble, red granite. They were taken from the ancient Constantinian Basilica, the 4th century Basilica, the original one, on top of which was built the Renaissance St. Peter Basilica in the Vatican that we can visit today. We are off to the next stop, which is Santa Maria in Trastevere Basilica, the main church, the most important and the most famous church of the Trastevere neighborhood. Once you have enjoyed the fountain and the view of Rome, you go back and you take back the staircase that you climbed up, you go down via di Porta San Pancrazio and via Garibaldi, and you will be in the heart of Trastevere. Let's go. We have arrived to our last stop of our itinerary in Trastevere. This is Piazza di Santa Maria in Trastevere. As you can see, the fountain, the main fountain, is all surrounded by scaffolding because the Jubilee just started, and apparently this one they haven't finished yet. They have been cleaning all the main landmarks, and this one probably it's still unfinished. In front, it's Santa Maria in Trastevere Basilica. This is the most important and most famous church of the Trastevere neighborhood. It's also the very first church devoted to the cult of the Holy Mary. On top, you can see famous mosaics. So at the end of our itinerary of our walk in Trastevere, we don't feel like sitting too long and go to a restaurant. We want to grab a quick bite, so we are entering La Renella. It's a bakery, pizza place, and they have also obviously pastries because it's a bakery and a pastry shop. The pizza is very nice here. It's a Roman style. You will see it inside. Let's go. They just heated up our pizza and we are taking it right there from the oven. La Renella, it's pizza by the slice place in Trastevere, and it's actually very famous. The pizza is thin and crunchy, typical Roman style. And if you feel like gelato, behind this palace next to the Basilica of Santa Maria in Trastevere, in Via San Cosimato 14, it's Otaleg, one of the best gelato places in Trastevere. So we are at the end of our itinerary, our walk in Trastevere and our video. All in all, it took us around 2 hours to do from the Piazza Trilussa, the first stop, to here, all our tour, and ending up here in Santa Maria in Trastevere, Piazza and Basilica. Obviously, we didn't enter in to visit all the places that we showed you in the video, like Villa Farnesina, Galleria Corini, the Orto Botanico, or even this church, because we have visited them all. So this video was just to show you where to go. If you are going to visit them, and I suggest you do so, it counts some half a day. So either you want to do it in the morning or in the afternoon. We ensure you that both times of the day they will be very nice, because it will be a different experience. Because, for example, from the Gianicolo Hill, the fountain and the view, it will be a different type of view, either the day or in the evening. We showed you in our video, we showed you the evening view, but during the day you will still get to see a beautiful view on the rooftops of Rome city center. So either in the morning or in the afternoon it will be a nice view, so it's up to you. But I will set at least half a day for this itinerary. If you have enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and for all tips and to visit Rome, to plan your trip to Rome, visit us to our website, romeactually.com.